Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Tipsy shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and double crochet shell stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 12 plus 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. So that's 2 chains and then 4 double crochet made. These chains are going to count as a double crochet too, so that's technically going to be 5 double crochet made. Now we're going to get into our sequence. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make 5 double crochet. Make 2 chains. You're going to skip 4 stitches, and then into each of the next 5 you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So you're skipping 4 stitches. Starting here, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to start repeating this sequence from skipping these 2 stitches, making this shell of 5 double crochet, chain 2, skip 4 stitches, and then make these 5 double crochet. So we're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make 5 double crochet. Chain 2, skip 4 stitches. You're only going to have 4 left from since we hit the end of our row. So you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to make 5 double crochet to end our row on. So you're going to make 1, 2, 3. Into this last stitch, make 2 double crochet, so we'll end on 5 double crochet. It's going to match the beginning of our row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So same thing as our last row, these 2 chains count as a double crochet. So you're going to skip the first stitch. Into each of the next 4, make 1 double crochet into each of them. So that's going to be 5 double crochet with those 2 chains counting as a double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence. It's going to be similar to our last row. We're just going to be skipping over these chain spaces. We're not going to be making chain spaces in this row. It's going to be 5 double crochet. We're going to make these shells of 5 double crochet, and then we're going to continue on from there. So skip this chain space into the next stitch, make 5 double crochet all into that stitch together. You're going to skip over the rest of this shell. We're going to be moving over to these next 5 double crochet in a row. Make 1 double crochet into each of those next 5. And that's going to be the sequence of this row. Skipping over this chain space, you're going to make 5 double crochet into the first double crochet of this previous shell of 5. Skip the rest of this shell, moving on to these next 5 double crochet in a row, make 1 double crochet into each of those. So I'm now going to skip this next chain space into this next stitch. I'm going to make 5 double crochet. Skip the rest of this shell into these next 5 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into each. So I have 4 made, and I also have these chains over here at the end of this row. They counted as a double crochet, so into the top of those chains you're going to make a double crochet. That's going to give us those 5 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Tipsy shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.